Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick video cleaning out the back seat, the front seat, and then a quick walk around through the rear seat area and the front seat area. I'm doing this video in two parts. Next week we're going to cover the dashboard and the instrumentation. So enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks everybody for coming out, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, the back seat of the car is cleaned out. The floors down here, they on the edges here by the rocker, they're gone, and the rocker back here to the rear of the door here. There's some rust here that's going to need some repair, but it's fairly solid. And then down here, the rockers all need to be replaced. Down at the bottom, door cards are there. There's the fabric that would have been on the seats as well originally. Door handle. There's a plastic trim ring around here, probably Bakelite at the time. These are broken pretty much all the way around the car. That one's cracked. Touch it, it's going to fall off. So 3D printer, I think, for that. The window handles are awesome. We got these Art Deco style fold away handles. These are just beautiful pieces, and they are intact all the way around the car. Okay, so the fabric on the back seat, so that's the original upholstery, and you know, considering that the back window was gone and it was sitting outside for a long time, that seat, you know, the foam and everything's all there and the structure's all there. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where cars that were left in this condition, you know, the mice took everything away, but these actually aren't bad. Got the armrest here that folds down for the rear seat passenger. The headliner around where the back window was on both sides, it's like that. I was able to vacuum most of the mold off the headliner. It's pretty seriously insulated. I was surprised by that. Let's look at the back of the back seat here. Again, the back of this is in really good condition. It's got the grab handles right here. Those need to be polished and re-chromed probably. The obligatory ashtray for the rear seat passenger, and they had their own cigarette lighter up there, so that's kind of interesting as well. So all in all, the back of this seat is in fantastic condition, really. So floors on the driver's side are kind of in the same boat. The floors themselves are still there, but just on the corners by the rockers on the edges, it's kind of gone. So that is the back seat of the New Yorker Deluxe. Let's go to the front. We'll start here on Martha's side. The door handles are intact. Door locks had these neat little covers. Covered the locks for the front doors. Door opens okay. Door card again is there. Window's broken. Again, the handles are that plastic pieces missing off the door handle, but it's there on the window crank. And again, that beautiful Art Deco. This is where it gets ugly. Down here, we've got the Flintstone powered floorboards going. So this is on both sides. There is one of the body mounts to the frame. Right there, completely wide open. Frame is good down there though. So that's unfortunate and not really surprising, to be honest. I've got this panel here. There's a kick panel here. It's off and kind of damaged, but I do have that panel. The one on the driver's side is missing. But it would be a mirror of this one, so that would be great. The seat up front here, it is very much like the back seat, but I was curious because it's all vinyl. The back seat, it's the vinyl and cloth, and the front seat is all vinyl. So I wasn't sure if my uncle maybe had it recovered or replaced the seat on it. It's a little weird. I was thinking about this over the years of why, you know, the Deluxe didn't have a fabric seat. But we'll go around to the driver's side. I'll show you what actually happened there. Again, Orland side of the car here. This top piece on the door is quite rusted. This actually, it's a separate piece of the door. It screws on all the way around there, so this will come off. So it shouldn't be that difficult to refurbish. So that'll be one of the projects over the winter, I'm sure, while I'm waiting for other things. Door card, top of it again is not too bad, but the bottom is kind of destroyed. But the doors are solid down there. The doors are really good. There's no rust through on the doors at all. So that was something that I was worried about. Again, the door handle's intact, missing the plastic. That plastic is broken, almost coming off for the beautiful door handles, or the window cranks. This one, the spring is gone in it. It just flops around here. The other ones, there's a spring inside that it's supposed to hold it in place. Moving down to the floor on this side, and we'll take a look. And again, much like the driver's side, we are pretty rotten all the way up that body mount down along the rockers here. Okay, so the seat. I was looking at the seat, and then I saw, over time the fabric kind of tore away a little bit here. So I decided I'd just lift this up. And what do we have here? We have the original fabric. Pretty dirty and greasy. So Uncle, at some point, he would have recovered the seat the easy way and just went right over top of the original upholstery. So that is kind of cool. So that matches what we've got in the back seat. So I'm gonna, you can feel the line in the vinyl right here. You can kind of see it. There's fabric beneath that, and then the line above. So this whole seat was recovered in all vinyl. Uncle Orland had a repair shop for a while, so he was probably in and out of the car all the time with pretty grubby clothes. I'm the same way right now. I'm getting in trouble with the spouse going into the house. So I know how he would have felt, so he just put a vinyl cover over the whole seat and said to heck with taking the coveralls off, I guess. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, tune in next week. We're going to cover the dashboard instrumentation. And then after that, we're going to go under the hood. So hit the notification bell. Make sure you catch the next video coming out. Appreciate everybody that's watched the video so far. The views have been beyond my expectations, so thank you very much. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for coming.